Hello everyone. Today is 14th March 2025 and the day is Friday. In this video, I am going to discuss transform your life with 1 month's success plan. So, I want you to imagine something with me. Picture yourself 1 month from today. What do you see? Are you the same person you are right now, or have you become someone new, someone stronger, more disciplined, more focused? What more focused? That's we are here to discuss. Okay, today. The art of personal transformation in just 30 days. You see, most people overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what they can do in a month. A month is a powerful thing. It's long enough to create lasting change but short enough to stay focused and motivated. It's the perfect time frame to kickstart your journey to success. Let me tell you something, success is not an accident, success is a choice, and today, right here, right now, you are making that choice. You are choosing to take control of your life, to stop drifting and start designing, because let me tell you, if you don't design your own life plan, chances are you will fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. So, what does this 1 month success plan look like? Well, it's built on four fundamental pillars. First one is mindset, goals, second one, the third one is habits, and the fourth one is action. These are the cornerstones of personal transformation. These are the cornerstones of personal transformation. Get these right, and you will be analyzed at what you can achieve in just 30 days. Let's start with mindset. Your mind is like a garden. What are you planting in it? Are you planting seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation? Or are you planting seeds of possibility, growth, and abundance? Because I will tell you this, whatever you plant, that's what going to grow. For the next 30 days, I want you to come a master gardener of your mind. Pull out those bits of negative thinking, approve those limiting beliefs that have been holding you back, and start planting new seeds. Seeds of possibility, positivity, seeds of the person you want to become. How do you do this? It starts with your self talk. The way you talk to yourself is so important. Most people don't realize this, but you have about 60,000 thoughts a day, and for many people, the majority of those thoughts are negative. I can't do this. I am not good enough. It's too hard. Sound familiar? Well, for the next 30 days, I want you to catch those negative thoughts, catch them, challenge them, and change them. Replace I can't with how can I replace I am not good enough with I am learning and growing every day. Replace it's too hard with this. This is an opportunity for me to become stronger. This is not just positive thinking, this is strategic thinking. This is about rewiring your brain for success. What? This is rewiring your brain for success. Here's what the truth. Success starts in your mind before it shows up in your life. Now, let's talk about your goals. Goals are the GPS of success. Without clear goals, you are just wandering. You might be moved, but you are not making progress. For this 1 month plan, I want you to set clear specific goals, not vague wishes but concrete targets. What do you want to achieve in the next 30 days? Maybe it's to lose 10 pounds, maybe it's to read 5 books, maybe it's to increase your income by 20%. Whatever it's, make it specific, make it measurable, and most importantly, make it meaningful to you. You see, the power of a goal is not just in achieving it, the real power is in who you became in pursuit of that goal. When you set a goal to lose 10 pounds, you are not just working towards a number on a scale. On a scale, you are becoming a person who values health, who is disciplined, who can delay gratification for a greater reward. That's the real transformation. Don't here's the key, don't just set the goal and forget it. Write it down, look at it every single day, visualize it, feel it, because what you focus on expands, what you think about you bring about new. Let's move on to habits. If goals are the destination, habits the vehicle that gets you there. Your habits repeated day after day are what shape your life. As they saying goes, be are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. For the next 30 days, I want you to focus on developing new empowering habits. And here's the secret: start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one or two key habits that will have the biggest impact on your goals. Maybe it's earlier waking up an hour earlier, or each day maybe it's reading for 30 minutes before bed, maybe it's exercising for 20 minutes every morning. Whatever it is, commit to it. Do it every single day, no matter what, because consistency is the key to transformation. And here's something crucial: track your habits. Keep a journal, use an app, whatever works for you, but track them, because what gets measured gets managed, and what gets managed gets improved. Remember, habits are like compound interest for your life. They might not seem like much on a daily basis, but over time, the results are extraordinary. The habits you form in these 30 days can literally change the trajectory of your life. Now, let's talk about the fourth pillar: action. Because all the goal setting, all the habit forming in the world does not mean anything without action. Action is what brings it all to life. For the next 30 days, I want you to commit to massive action, not just any action, but massive action, because average action produces average results, and you are not here for average, are you? You are here for extraordinary. What does massive action look like? It means doing more than you think you can. It means pushing past your comfort zone every single day. It means when you think you are done, you do 5 more. When you want to quit, you keep going. Now I can already hear some of you thinking, but Kunal, what if I fall? What if I take all this action and it does not work out well? Let me tell you something: failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Every failure, every setback, every mistake is just feedback. It's information you can use to adjust your approach, to relieve to refine your strategy. In fact, I want you to fail. Yes, heard me right. I want you to fail, because if you are not failing, you are not pushing yourself hard enough. You are playing it too safe, and playing it safe is the riskiest thing you can do in today's world. So for the next 30 days, I want you to reframe your relationship with failure. See it as a teacher, not an enemy. Embrace it, learn from it, and most importantly, keep going despite it. Now let's talk about something that's absolutely critical to your success in these 30 days. Your environment. You see, your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you want to transform your life, you need to transform your environment. For the next 30 days, I want you to become very intentional about your environment, the people you surround yourself with, the information you consume, the places you spend your time. All of this shape you more than you realize. Start with the people in your life. Jim Rohn that's me once said, you are the average of the five people you spend the most time with. So who are your friend? Are they pushing you to grow, or are they holding you back? Are they supporting your dreams, or are they naysayers? For the next 30 days, seek out positive influences. Find mentors, even if it's through books or podcasts, who inspires you, who challenge you, who make you want to be better. And if you can't find these people in your immediate circle, go out and find them. Join a club, attend seminars, network. And while we are talking about environment, let's discuss the information you are consuming in today's world. We are bombarded with information, but here's the thing: not all information is created equal. Some information empowers you, some depletes you. For the next 30 days, be very selective about what you let into your mind. Cut out the negative news, the gossipy social media, the mindless TV, and instead feed your mind with things that inspire you, that educate you, that push you to grow. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries, make learning a daily habit. Now let's talk about something that many people overlook. When it comes to personal transformation, your physical space, your physical environment has huge impact on your mindset and your productivity. For the next 30 days, I want you to optimize your physical space for success. Clear out the clutter, organize your workspace, create an environment that energizes you, that inspires you. Because when your space is in order, your mind follows suit. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. We have talked about mindset, goals, habits, action, and environment. But there's one more crucial element to this 30-day transformation plan, and that's accountability. You see, it's easy to make promises to yourself, it's easy to set goals, to say you are going to do something. But when the going gets tough, when motivation wins, when life gets in the way, that's when accountability becomes crucial. For the next 30 days, I want you to create accountability in your life. Find an accountability partner, someone who cares your commitment to growth, someone who will check in on you, someone who will hold you to your word. It would be a friend, a family member, a colleague. It could even be a coach or a mentor. The important thing is that it's someone you respect, someone you don't want to let down. Share your goals with them, check in with them regularly, be honest about your progress in your setbacks. And here's a powerful tip: make a public commitment to share your goals on social media. Tell your friend and family what you are doing. When you make your intentions public, you create a social pressure to follow through. Use that pressure to your advantage. Now, as we hear the end of your time together, I want to address something important. This 30-day plan we have been making about is not easy transformation. Never is. There will be days when you don't feel like doing the work. There will be moments when you want to give up, when you think it's not worth it in those moments I want you to remember why you started, remember the vision you have for your life, remember the person you are becoming, and most importantly remember this: the pain of discipline wakes ounces, but the pain of regret wake turns. You see, a month from now you are going to arrive. That's a guaranteed. Arrives guaranteed. The question is where will you arrive? Will you be in the same place you are right now with the same habits, the same mindset, the same result, or will you be someone new, someone stronger, more disciplined, more successful? The choice is yours, and you are making that choice not just once, but every single day for the next 30 days. Every time you wake up early, define you, push through discomfort. Every time you choose growth over comfort, you are choosing your future self. And let me tell you something, that future self is rooting for you. That future self knows what you are capable of. That future self is just waiting for you to unleash your potential. So as we wrap up, I want to leave you with this: the next 30 days are going to pass whether you take action or not. Time is going to move forward. The question is, will you move forward with it? Will you use these 30 days to transform your life? Will you use them to build new habits, to expand your mind, to push your limits, or will you let them slip by another month of unfulfilled potential? I believe in you. I believe in your capacity for growth, for change, for success. But my belief does not matter nearly as much as your belief in yourself. So, right here, right now, I want you to make a decision. Decide that next 30 days are going to be different. Decide that you are going to give it your all. Decide that you are going to become the person you have always known you could be. Remember, success is not something you pursue. Success is something you attract by the person you become. So for the next 30 days, focus on become more disciplined, become more knowledgeable, become more resilient. And as you transform yourself day by day, you will find that your life begins to transform. As will your relationships will improve, your career will take off, your health will flourish. Because when you change, everything change. So go out there and make these next 30 days count. Embrace the challenge, embrace the discomfort, embrace the growth, because on the other side of that challenge, on the other side of that discomfort, is the life you have always dreamed of. You have greatness within you. You have potential beyond what you can imagine. And this next 30 days, there your opportunities to tap into that greatness, to unleash that potential. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Don't let another day go by without taking action. Start now. Start where you are. Start with what you have, but start, because a month from now you will be you had started today. Remember, it's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. It's not about where you start, it's about where you are determined to go. It's not about what you have done in the past, it's about what you are willing to do starting right now. So take that first step, make the first change, uh, plant that first seed, and then nurture it every single day for the next 30 days. Water it with your sweat, your determination, your relentless pursuit of growth, and watch as that seed begins to sprout. Watch as those small daily actions begin to compound. Watch as you begin to transform not just your habit, not just your actions, but your very intensity. Because that's what this 30 days just about, doing different thing. It's about becoming a different person who does not just dream about success, but who takes daily actions to create it. A person who does not make excuses, but who finds solutions a person who does not wait for opportunity but who creates it as you go through these next 30 days. I want you to keep a journal, write down your thoughts, your experiences, your victories, and eyes even and yes, even your setbacks. This journal will become a powerful tool for reflection and growth. It will show you have for you how far you have come, and it will remind you the lesson you have learned along the way. And here's something powerful at the end of each day. I want you to ask yourself these questions: what did I learn today? How did I grow? What am I grateful for? These questions will help you stay focused on growth, and they will help you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, because gratitude, my friend, is the antidote to fear, to doubt, to competency. When you are grateful, you can't be fearful. When you have grateful, you can't be doubtful. When you can't be doubtful, when you are grateful, you can't be complacent. Gratitude ignites the fire of ambition and fuels our engine of perseverance. Now, as you go through this 30 days transformation, remember this: progress, not perfection. You are not aiming for a perfect 30 days. You are aiming for 30 days a consistent effort of a continuous learning, of relentless growth. There will be days when you fall short, there will be days when you stumble, but here's the key: is not about never falling, it's about always getting back up. It's not about never making mistakes, it's about learning from every mistake. So when those tough days come, and they will come, don't beat yourself up, don't throw in the to well, instead show yourself some compassion. Remind yourself that this is all part of the process. Dust yourself off, learn the lesson, and keep moving forward. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, the goal is to be better than you were yesterday. And if you can do that day after day for 30 days, you will be amazed at how far you can go. Now let's talk about something that often overlooked in discussions about success: the power of celebration. Too often we are so focused on the next goal, the next milestone, that we forget to celebrate our victories along the way. For the next 30 days, I want you to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they might seem. Did you make up on time? Celebrate it. Did you stick to your new habit? Celebrate it. Did you push through when you wanted to give up? Celebrate it. These celebrations serve a powerful purpose. They reinforce positive behavior, they boost your motivation, they remind you that you are making progress even when it does not feel like it should. It should not wait until the end of the 30 days to celebrate every single day. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small, because those small steps, those daily victories, are what paved the way for a major transformation. Now, as we approach the end of our time together, I want to address something important. This 30-day plan we have been discussing, it's not a magic pill. It's not going to solve all your problems overnight. What it is: a starting point. It's a launch pad for a lifetime of growth and success. You see, the real goal there is not just to have a great 30 days. The real goal is to create a lasting change, to develop habits and mindsets that will serve you for the rest of your life. This 30-day plan is just the beginning of your journey. So, as you embark on this 30-day transformation, I want you to think beyond these 30 days. So, can you take the lessons you learn, the habit you develop, the mindset you cultivate, and extend them into the future? How can you make this not just a 30-day sprint, but the start of a lifelong marathon of personal growth and success. Remember, success is not a destination. Success is not a destination. It's a journey. It's a process of a continuous improvement, of consistent learning, of relentless growth, and that journey starts right here, right now, with your decision to commit to the next 30 days. So go forth with courage, with determination, with an unwavering belief in yourself and your potential. Embrace the challenge, embrace the growth, embrace the transformation, because 30 days from now you won't just have action, you will have changed your life. And always remember, the best investment you can make, the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. So invest these next 30 days wisely, invest in your growth, and you are learning in your success, because when you invest in yourself, the dividends are limitless. Now go out there and make those next 30 days count. Your future self is counting on you. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and Skooly Shiksha, where I teach physics for 11th and 12th for मेडिकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स. तो थैंक यू, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.